Today we will be comparing two Logitech branded headphones, the H540 and H600. Mainly this video is meant as a microphone comparison, but we'll also go into why you would want to buy one of the headphones over the other. First we'll delve into the H600 since they're more expensive and presumably better. H600 are wireless headphones with enhanced digital audio, noise-cancelling microphone and on-ear controls for adjusting the volume, padded ear cushions for extra comfort, and a battery that can last around up to 6 hours. H540, unlike their older sibling, aren't wireless, but other than that they are rocking the same features. Noise-cancelling microphone, on-ear controls, and padded leather headband and ear cups. Not gonna lie, I didn't expect the results to be so drastic. I messed around with different audio settings, leaving the microphone output on 95%, but didn't use any of the Audacity filters because keeping the audio as raw as possible is kind of a big deal. 540s easily beat 600s in means of pure microphone quality, but for some reason 540s randomly increased the microphone gain, and that was rather apparent after doing multiple audio takes. Not sure what's the cause of it, but still the 540s are rocking an objectively better microphone. Sound output wise they're both rather serviceable. I mean, it would be hard for you to tell the difference, and I feel like the bigger factor is comfort. For me, 600s take the cake because foam is just so much more softer. Then again, maybe I just have sensitive ears and a bias towards foam, so I don't really know. If you had to choose one of these headphones, I'd say go with H540 if you're really worried about the microphone. Then again, you should just buy a separate microphone. But if you're not too worried about spending extra $20, then H600s could be a great fit if you're a casual user. That will be it for this one. Subscribe for more and see you until next time.